Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign in to your account on Google Docs. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser, and then in the address bar simply type in docs.google.com and press enter. Now if you're not signed in to your Google account already, you will be asked to log in to your account. So simply go ahead and sign in to your preferred Google account. Type in your email address or your phone number and click on the next button. Now you will be asked to enter your password. Just go ahead and type in your password and click on the next button. You might be asked to confirm your identity from any other device that you are logged into. So simply tap on the code that is displayed on your screen on your other device, and now you will be logged in to your account. Now once you are logged in, you will end up on your Google Docs dashboard. You can now click on the plus icon at the bottom right corner and start working on your new document. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign in to your account on Google Docs. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.